Hey everyone, welcome back to Crafty Q. Today I'm going to show you my decorations for my family for our Christmas party. So this year I kind of went a little above and beyond on decorating, but I'll show you what I did so far. So when my family members come downstairs, we have the background, and it is a tinsel background that I actually got from Amazon. So here it is. And actually it's pretty thin. So what I did was, like, no one will be able to tell, but I actually added some black trash bags so you can actually see behind the actual tinsel. Then here we have the welcome sign. So there you go. I got this from Oriental Trading Company. Then we wrapped our posts with ribbon. I believe I got this from Dollar Tree. And then here's the actual table setting. So I thought this was really cute that I took these little mini stockings and put the utensils in. I got the fabric napkins, and I actually made the napkin ring holders using Dollar Tree items and just taking some bling and hot gluing around there. And the chargers are from Dollar Tree. The candles are from Dollar Tree. The wine glasses are from Dollar Tree again, as the candles and candle holders. And then I try to adjust the folding chairs a little bit by using chair covers and chair sashes. And let's see, I'll just go around and show you. So I'm doing this for about 30 of my family members. I have some accent lighting on the walls. There's Santa, which I got from Oriental Trading. I have the twinkle lights. Normally people put sheer curtains in front of them, but I was running out of time, but I still think they look pretty cute without the curtains. And they come in different settings, so you can press a button and have them twinkle or flash and all that fun stuff. Here's our fun tree, my little fun tree with color lights. Here's more of the place setting. The table runners, the sequin table runners, again from Amazon. The silk tablecloths, I believe I got from Favormart. And then let me take you over. Oh, I forgot to tell you that the sleigh came from Oriental Trading as well. And then we're setting up, not finished yet, but we're setting up the little candy area. Let me turn the light on. There you go. So yeah, this is going to be full of cakes and desserts. My grandmothers and my aunts love to bake goodies, so which is perfect for us. I got the gold tablecloth from Amazon, and then here's that. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to just show you how everything looks with the lights all being turned off. It gives it a different feel to the room. So I'll show you that. Just bear with me. Okay, so here's what it looks like with the lights off. You can see the accent lighting a little bit more. These up lights, again from Amazon. So as you can tell, mostly everything that was purchased to create this look came from Amazon, Oriental Trading, and Favormart, and a lot of the items actually came from the Dollar Tree. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.